Good morning, good people. Happy Thursday. This is probably the last, if not maybe the second to last video that I'll share with you guys this school year. It's crazy. We've reached the end. We are on our final day of our project, and I just want to provide some last minute guidance as you guys think about wrapping up your project and turning it in today and kind of encapsulating the end of the year. So first thing I want to show you here is in the Schoology Unit 7 folder and the project folder for Quarantine Cafe, Funky Town USA Part 2. Here is the project description. Please read this over again. I know some of you read it over when we debuted the project last week, but you haven't read it since. You need to read this in order to know what you need to turn in. Make it easy on both of us. Don't turn in something that's not complete. Read the directions. Make sure you've met all the criteria. Make sure you have at least 3 structures. Make sure your slides meet the requirements. And again, here are the requirements. Here's the simple rubric I am using. Is the floor plan accurate and complete? That's all based on what you turned in already. If you need to resubmit that, make sure you do that and send me a quick note to let me know you've resubmitted. Here's the 3 different structures criteria, and you can choose from these structures or these shapes right there. Those 3 structures make up your cafe, and you're finding the volume of those 3 structures combined, which is the volume of your scale model, the scale model of your cafe. Presentation wise, simple. There's 1 slide dedicated to each structure in the cafe. Each slide has a volume calculation for the scale model and the actual square footage listed. Pictures are encouraged. If you want to do a little video tour and put that in your slides, that's great. The more pictures, videos, media, the more exciting your slides can be. That's wonderful. So feel free to do that as much as you would like. It's 100 points. This is the last thing. So please do your best work. And please let me know if you have questions. I can sign up, or I can conference with you guys. Sign up on the conference sign up if you want to chat today about anything. And I'd like these to be turned in by the end of the day today if possible, so I can start grading these and wrapping up the school year here in terms of grades and all that for this class. You can see here's an example of the floor plan. Here's all these tutorials and resources. Check this stuff out. Make sure you've done your due diligence. If you have a partner, check in with your partner. Make sure all the boxes have been checked off. If you're working by yourself, check in with some other friends in the class. Take a look at what they're doing to see if you forgot to do something. Just use each other. Use your resources to make sure you're doing your best work here. So that's that. Again, let me know if you need any help or have any questions. And I sent out a Google invitation yesterday for an end of year goodbye this coming Monday. I would love if everybody stops by to say hi during their designated class periods meeting time. I'd love to be able to say goodbye and wish you guys well for the summer. It's not the way that we wanted to say goodbye, or certainly I didn't want to say goodbye this way, but this is what we're dealing with. So I hope you all stop by and say goodbye, and I'll miss you guys for sure. So yes, make sure you attend that meeting on Monday if you can. All right, everybody, have a good day. And as always, keep it 100.